My name is Hickley Clark and I'm an Auckland-based artist. I'm currently working on a project for Lexus for the Auckland Art Fair. Because the car itself has these really incredible angular forms, I was really interested in creating a work that actively disrupts these forms. The material I'm using is a retroreflective fabric. I was interested in how this material shifts and adapts to where you as an audience are standing. I'm feeling good about the project. It definitely had its challenges along the way, but I think the finished product is really something that's both challenging to me and hopefully challenging to the audience as well.
I mean, this is Vivienne Westwood meets Lexus. It's just brilliant.
And so it was a really active, interesting process. And I think just the tactility of the fabric really enabled us to do some really interesting things.
My favourite thing about it, don't take a photograph with your flash off. Have the photograph with the flash on. It's really, really beautiful.